So let's take a look at how you can create a managed FHIR server using AWS HealthLake. To learn more about FHIR, we just released an entire course on FHIR and it's completely free. You can just go to our website and then I'll also put a link down below. You can enroll in this course for free today. So let's search for HealthLake. I already have this under recently viewed, but this way you can also find it. And click on either view data stores or create data store depending on what you see here. I already have something just deleting. You don't need to worry about that. Just click on create data store and give your data store a unique name. So let's call it FHIR Server, I don't know, medblocks. Yeah. And you can choose to preload some Cynthia data if you would like. I'm not going to do that. It's going to take longer to set things up. And again, you can also choose between AWS's own managed keys or your own key if you want encryption at rest. Either way, the data will be encrypted at rest. Then click on create data store. So I have this other thing deleting, but the one that's getting created is here. This again will take quite a bit of time. It usually takes anywhere from like 10 to 15 minutes. So it is now active and the FHIR server has been created. So we have this endpoint which we can actually use to call the FHIR server. Let's actually try that out and see what that gives us. So we are just pasting the base URL and let's just try to get all patients. So it tells us credentials should be scoped to correct service, HealthLake. And again, here we don't even have any credentials set up. So let's actually create an access key and a secret key. In AWS, this is quite simple. Just go to security credentials. And in this case, I'm just going to create an access key here. Now it will warn you that you shouldn't be creating root keys and you can create more specific keys. But in this case, I'm just going to create a root key. So I have my access key. Let's copy that. And the secret key, I'm not going to show you, but I'm going to copy that and paste it in here. Now the region, AWS region is going to be exactly where you created your server. So let's go back to HealthLake. And let's view our data stores. And this is the active one. So we have created this in, so again, let's take a look at the URL. So you can see this is US East 1. So again, it will usually show this up in the drop down here as well. So just copy and paste US East 1 under region. And the service name should be HealthLake. Okay, just like so. So once you have all of this configured, we should be able to list all of our patients. Let's see. And you get a search bundle and there are no entries. Perfect. So at least it's working. So now let's actually try and post a patient. Let's get our usual patient from here. Let's paste this and let's post this patient. And we see that there is a 201 created. And AWS HealthLake is a bit finicky when it comes to searching on data that you just posted. There it has a cache and it doesn't usually return things immediately. So again, this will take some time for this patient to show up. So it's not fully transactional in that sense. Let's just do a count equals 100. See if that shows up. Yeah, there we go. So now we see our patient and it has automatically given it a version ID and ID here as well. And yeah, so you have AWS HealthLake working and that took us close to 5 to 10 minutes.